I can't drink it until it's, I would say, filtered and then purified. As long as I can filter this water to a degree where there aren't particles in it, and I can't see any particles in it, if I fill up plastic drinks bottles and leave them in the sun for 4 to 6 hours, then the UV radiation will purify the water for me. It smells like decaying vegetation. But again, it's not terrible. 8 bottles of water collected. One funnel. That coconut matting, that's going to be my first layer. Passing the water through various layers of different materials should filter out a good proportion of the solid particulate matter. Look at this. Charcoal from an old fisherman's camp. Beach almond, leaves, and pebbles. One filter, complete. Let's see how this goes. So there you go. That's filtered. That water there and the one below has not got particles in it anymore. That's quite remarkable. The water is already really clear. I think that was a relative success. Now, stage 2. These rocks are as black as I can get, so that'll give the bottles maximum UV exposure. It's still extraordinarily hot, and so come back in 4 hours, I guess. And as the sun starts to set, it's time to gather my water and finally have that drink. It's definitely a bit of swamp in there. But that's fresh water when I'm drinking it. Do you know what? That's drinkable. That is drinkable.